Hi there everyone, welcome back to Wayne's Garage. Gonna do just a little bit of a I don't know, vlog video because I'm not able to work for 3 or 4 months. So as you can see, surgery has been done as of Tuesday last week. So I'm almost two weeks into a week, 2 weeks into recovery, and that at the moment. So I see the surgeon next week on a Monday, so he can have a look, trim up the stitches, all that sort of stuff. Then I find out what exercise and so forth that I've got to do. At the moment, all I can do is just wrist movements and squash ball, just to help with the muscles still. Yeah, so at the moment it's quite difficult. I'm kind of getting bored because I've got one order there that's got to go out, another one there that I managed to get done, which was overdue. I can't fix this little section of the lip here up, so he'll have to do that himself. And then I've got another boot floor that's got to go out there too, and some rear centre floors that I've done as well. So yeah. So those other ones I'll end up hopefully getting some help to box them up so they can be shipped out over the upcoming weeks. And then this little one, I should be able to get there and drop it into the post office. And that tomorrow or next week. And that we oh crap. Back in a minute. Sorry everyone, I had to push my glasses up. So I'll be taking a little bit of extra time after recovery to sort and manoeuvre some things around, and that I have got I might get a mate to help or build to go around this section, so this here can get cleaned up, everything taken away that needs to be taken away. So then I can move the little press off this table here, and then I don't know where that's going to go yet. Don't know if I'm going to keep that or not, that one. There's a few parts on this one that I need for this one down here, because that one is an FX engine, and that one there is an FJ. But there's a few parts on there that I could use for that one over there. So they may get maneuvered somewhere else for now, don't know where. But I want to get rid of that table again, just there. Move the press up over the front, and that, so then I've got the press on this section here, like on a frame here, and then a bench top frame to go around the height of the lid, so they can still open up to access the wash tub. Is my plan. But yeah, gotta hang a couple more grills up there, and that may have another one coming. That one at the end there, so I've got to take some stuff off that one. More parts there, and yeah. So once my arm's up the par again, I'm going to have a very good clean up underneath the ute take out what doesn't need to be under there and find places for it, clean all the back out, finish off one of those grills up there and put it up for sale. So I've got that's for sale there. Then when we get back into it, then we got the passenger door to do, and then we'll look at getting the front and back glass taken out of the ute, so then we get it on the mask up the dash so don't get any overspray on the dash, and get into doing the stripping of the paint on the roof and all that sort of stuff, and around the back window. See what rust's in around there. If there's anything that needs to be done, then we fix them up first before we get in on to doing the rear end. So yeah, there's still heaps to be done, things to do. Might end up seeing if I can get a couple of volunteers to come down and maybe help arrange some stuff. Other thing too, up where I've got those guards hanging, if anyone has any board of any sort that they want to recycle, because I want to get there and put a floor along that section there, and if we can, then I can we can get up there with the ladder then, and then we can utilise up a bit further with another ladder and see how I got. It's hard to tell, but I've got a couple of other guards. Hard to film with one hand, but yeah, if you see very carefully, there's another couple of guards hanging off the strip of timber there. Well, if you can get there and move those strips of timber up higher, then we can hang guards up there and utilise that space there as well. And that means a lot of this stuff can be manoeuvred up the top there. So yeah, just a little bit of an update. Yeah. So I'm going to go and do some one-handed dishes, and until next time, stay safe, keep your upside down, and please like and subscribe. I've all set up, got to pay for the domain yet, but I'll be setting up, getting the domain name hopefully set up this week or next week. But I've set up a spring store for some merch, so I'll put the link that I've got so far into the description, and yeah, that's all I can do. So 3 to 4 months I'm out, so I need to try and make some extra income while I'm not making repair panels and that, like the boot floor and the dog legs. I've got some black dog legs sitting down there, one half done there, one here that split, so the customer wanted me to remake it, so it's split in that area and I've welded it up as best as I could. So but yeah, I'll put that up and see if anyone wants it. If not, I'll cut the bottom section off and sell it, just sell the bottom section. So anyway, please like, subscribe, share, and don't forget, jump over to Facebook and like the Facebook page or follow. Till next time, cheerio.